Guys, Josh Kent with US Arms Company here with my man Gerald, out here doing some kind of getting the guns ready for range day coming up here for 2023 out in Las Vegas. Super excited. This is going to be our second year, so we're prepping the rifles. This here is going to be the 6.5 Creedmoor Azrael. We have the law enforcement variant and a 308 in the Azrael line, and a Champion 223 Wild that we're zeroing today. Truing them out, and then we will confirm density altitude out in Las Vegas. Man, we're super excited. So yeah, we'll more to come. And then Gerald, you got anything, buddy?
Just super excited about being in Vegas. We're stoked about finally getting our bolt action line out there for the public to see.
Yeah.
It's been a long time coming. A lot of
R&D.
behind the scenes, a lot of heartache. But here it is. We're proud of the product that we're putting out there, and we just want everybody to come and enjoy it as much as we have in making it.
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, stay with us. Appreciate you tuning back in. Hit us down in the like, comment. Thanks again. See you soon.
See you.